Hi guys, so now I have a different um, address. So how would we were going to change the information of edit our profile here in Gcash? First that we were going to do is click the edit my profile and valid IDs. So let's say that I have my driver license here. It doesn't click. How would you meet the ID? Accepted ID full verification. ID list. So, nandyan and scan natin yung profile natin. Then, fill the information. So, ganyan yung mga gagawin natin. At first is, i-click natin yung edit my profile. So, we need the authentication na isi-send sa atin mismo ni Gcash. So, we're going to wait for the authentication and here it goes. We have the 944127 944127 944127, and then let's going to click next. And after that, so we received already and we have the driver license here, and we're going to took a picture of it. Dapat hindi tayo magulo. So submit lang natin siya. Completely submitted na siya. Then let's click next. Then here it goes. Naglagay tayo ng driver license natin and nakalagay na din yung ID number. Hi guys, just addition, just complete and change what you want to change sa mga info na dapat yung palitan at i-update. So, yun lang, and just send it confirm, and application submitted. Of course, we just going to wait na lang for the application. And that's all. Salamat, paalam.